Red Mars Capital welcomes all traders. Today we will continue to study the foreign exchange market. In this video, we will learn what is traded on Forex and look at new terms. As mentioned earlier, in the foreign exchange market, money is a commodity. Currencies are indicated by a three-letter code, where the first two letters are the country and the last is the name of the currency. Currently, the euro, dollar, Swiss franc, and Australian dollar are shown. Currencies form a currency pair. Let's look at the composition of a currency pair using the example of the euro-dollar. The pair consists of two currencies, the base currency that comes first, which is what you buy or sell, and the quote currency, which always comes second. A little later, we will take a closer look at their relationship. Major currency pairs. These pairs include US dollar and consist of the currencies of the most significant countries. They are also called majors. At the moment, there are 7 of them. They are euro to United States dollar, British pound to United States dollar, United States dollar to Swiss franc, United States dollar to Japanese yen, Australian dollar to United States dollar, New Zealand dollar to United States dollar, United States dollar to Canadian dollar. These are the most popular currency pairs for traders. They also have minimum spreads. Now let's look at cross courses. These are currency pairs that do not have the United States dollar. There are quite a large number of cross-currency rates. In turn, cross-currency rates of major countries are called minors. Here are some of them: euro to Japanese yen, euro to British pound to Swiss franc, British pound to Japanese yen. Cross rates are usually traded by experienced traders, while beginners choose the main currency pairs. But exotic currency pairs are not traded as often, but they are also present on the market. For example, euro to Hungarian forint, United States dollar to Denmark krona, British pound to Turkish lira, euro to Singapore dollar, and others. You can trade spot metals on the market. Spot is an instant transaction. You can find here such couples as gold ounce to United States dollar, silver ounce to United States dollar, gold ounce to euro, silver ounce to euro. Also, in the foreign exchange market, you can trade company shares, raw materials, and commodities without owning them. This is possible with CFDs. CFD is a contract for difference. When trading CFDs, there is no actual delivery of goods. You buy a contract for any commodity, such as oil, then sell it, making a profit by changing the price. However, you should keep in mind that CFD trading is linked to the opening hours of exchanges. You can find CFDs on the following assets: SPX. Standard & Poor's is a stock index of 505 companies in the United States with the largest capitalization. Brent crude oil, NGAs, this is American natural gas, Nikkei 225, this is one of the stock indexes in Japan, which shows the average share price of 225 companies. Now let's look at the relationship of currencies. The currency ratio that shows the value of one currency in another is called the exchange rate. For example, 1 euro is worth 1.21 American dollars. And in the case of a dollar-franc pair, you can get 0.91 Swiss francs for $1. In this case, we see that the franc is worth more than the dollar. Distinguish between the concept of direct and reverse quotes. It's very simple. A direct quote is one with the United States dollar in first place. The reverse quote is one where the United States dollar is in second place. You probably often saw tables with currency exchange rates in banks, and if you happen to exchange one currency for another, then the following terms should be familiar to you. The purchase price is called ask. The sale price is called bid. The purchase price is always higher than the sale price. The difference between the purchase price and the sale price is called spread. This difference is paid by the trader to the broker during the transaction, just as you pay the bank when exchanging one currency for another. So, we found out what is traded on the Forex market and also learned a few terms. See you in the next video.